දක්දිනු ඔබ මගේ ජීවිතේ වගේ ඔබ මගේ සෝසුසුම් නිවූ සත්තකින් නැකමක්ද මේ ඔබ මගේ ජාතියේ පිනයි ඔබ මගේ දේශයේ පෙමයි ඔබ මගේ තවතිසාව වේ ඔබ මගේ ජීවිතේ වගේ
ඔබ වේ Sri Lankan අපගේ හද බැන්දු හසරල් පුද දෙන්නේ දිව රස පිනවන්නේ
ගමනට සුව දෙන්නේ සිරිකත කැන්දන්නේ ඔබ මගේ අභිමානේ හදින් හදට මිහිරගෙන අපේ කමේ සුවඳ දැනේ ගමන පුරා ගෙදර වගේ ශ්‍රී ලංකන් ඔබයි මගේ කොයි කවුද ළඟටදී ආදරෙන් නැවතුවේ සැපයක්ද ජීවිතේ මේ යන යාමයේ සුබහීනයක් වගේ මා ලැබූ ජීවිතේ ඔබ වේ ශ්‍රී ලංකන් අපගේ හද බැන්දු
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. Welcome on board Sri Lankan Airlines. We'd like to welcome you on this flight. Please make yourself at home.
உலகையே உன்னால் வென்றோம்
நீ எந்தன் வாழ்க்கையானதா
நீ எந்தன் சோகம் தீர்த்ததால்
இதைத்தான் சொந்தம் என்பதா
நீ எந்தன் மக்களின் பெருமை
நீ எந்தன் நாட்டின் பெருமை
நீ எந்தன் தேவலோகமே
நீ எந்தன் வாழ்வை போலவே inspiration to chase 1,000 dreams
horizons that I have never seen, uplifting and soul strengthening.
the distance is smaller than it seems
Come take me where I have never been.
come show me what I'm imagining
Complete me with all you can give.
come fly me to where my spirit lives
We are Sri Lankan. We are your home in the sky. We are Sri Lankan. A vision brought to life. So many faces, so many places we can go out there somewhere. Every time you're on an aeroplane, we'll make it feel like home again. Flying so high within the sky, your journey comes to life. We will serenade the clouds, watch the stars falling down over mountains and fields, valleys, oceans and great hills. We will fly abundantly on the wings of destiny. We are Sri Lanka.